Why do we Muslims prefer calling Allah with the Arabic word Allah instead of the English word God? Because a person can play mischief with the English word God. For example, if we add S to God, so it becomes gods, that is the plural of God. There is nothing like the plural of Allah. Qul huwallahu ahad. Say He's Allah, the one and only. If we add DESS to God, so it becomes goddess, that is a female God. There is nothing like female Allah or male Allah in Islam. Allah has got no gender. If we add mother to God, so it becomes godmother. There is nothing like Allah mother or Allah Ammi in Islam. If we add father to God, so it becomes godfather. There is nothing like Allah father or Allah Abba in Islam. If we prefix tin to God, so it becomes tin God, that is a fake God. There is nothing like tin Allah or fake Allah in Islam. That's the reason we Muslims prefer calling Allah with the Arabic word Allah instead of the English word God.